Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SOLO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis over the past several days, and that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, I mean, once again, maybe I don't have necessarily updates to make, but confirmation would definitely be a big word here, because both these levels have definitely been confirmed as being significant, especially in regards to the green line down here, which I talked about as support there at $7.50. You can see that once again this morning on the gap down, the price spent some time right around that green line, but as it's done previously, not only did the price find support, but it was enough support to actually start to push the price back upwards. So good to see that $7.50 continues to hold as support, but that is also just going to be one of those levels that so many more people are going to be watching moving forward. And when lots of people are all watching the same level and are all wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. So while I'm not saying anything's guaranteed, my point here is that if the price were to come back down to $7.50 and then break down through it, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but a plausible thought to have. On the flip side of things, though, the other level that a lot of people are going to continue to be watching is right up here around $9.55, which is the value of that red line. So the exact same logic just kind of flipped around, meaning while nothing's guaranteed, if the price were to come up to that area and then get a break up through that area, that break very well could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure because, again, you know that there's going to be a lot of breakout players watching that certain area. But as of right now, the easiest way to really nutshell this is just 30-minute time frame sideways channel pattern. And that's what we have right here over the past couple of days, just the price chopping back and forth. So we'll see what happens with it moving forward. But yeah, that's really the best way to kind of summarize things is a sideways channel pattern, not just a question of is the price ultimately going to break out of the channel or break down through the channel. We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.